everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing good out there. As you know that I always bring new and amazing crypto projects for all of you in which you can invest and get great profit. But one thing that I always mention is none of any project is financially advised by me. So always do your own research before invest. Let's move to our project. But before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get updated by my upcoming and latest video. Thank you. Okay guys, so today in this video we are going to talk about Epiphany token. Here we are to the website of the project. Epiphany is a groundbreaking project that brings real world asset utility to the blockchain. It is an innovative ecosystem featuring a 250-hectare eco-development. And the best part, it is built on Solana and uniquely backed by both physical gold and a tokenized island, where 1 EPI equals 0.001 gram of gold. So as we can see here, this is eco development and merging nature, innovation and blockchain through tangible yield producing assets. So first of all, here on website we can see that 1 EPI is equal to 0.001 gram of gold, and this is 250 hectare island. So here first of all we have option to read the white paper to know more information about the project. So here we can see we are diving into the white paper. So we can see the VN clearly Epiphany is a Solana based utility token representing fractional tokenized ownership in the Epiphany Island project. It's a perfect coverage of nature, innovation and blockchain, bridging tangible yield producing assets like gold and real estate into the digital economy. And as we can see, this is built on the Solana blockchain. EPI offers ultra-fast, low-cost and eco-efficient transactions, supporting global accessibility while linking to real-world sustainability and cultural preservation. And VN is to stand for transformation and realization that real-world wealth can be tokenized, democratized and shared transparently. We can see the Epiphany Island is a 250-hectare eco-development designed as a triple impact ecosystem, tourism and lifestyle, digital assets, and education, research, etc. We also have the token fundamentals, token name, the ensemble, network, etc. Everything is mentioned here, as well as use of funds and raffle token sale. We can check the use of fund plus token sale as well, allocation category, percentage of funds, description, etc. And then we have the roadmap details from almost quarter 1 to quarter 4, 2025 to almost 2030, etc. So we can check the details on white paper, but first we must be able to know more about the project, that what this project is basically. Here we have some information about the project, a 250-hectare development designed for real-world impact. The Epiphany Island on Nosimitsu combines tourism, blockchain innovation and education into one sustainable ecosystem. As we can see here that tourism and lifestyle, eco-luxury, lodges, marine resorts and authentic cultural experiences. EPI holders enjoy exclusive discounts, taking rewards and membership access to the island facilities. It means that users can enjoy exclusive discounts, taking rewards and membership access, etc. And then gold-backed Solana token with real utility. 21 million is total supply. Then you can check the gold per token, which is 0.001 gram, and then the blockchain is Solana. As we can see here, details of the project. Then this is multi-sector integration powering the API token from tourism to blockchain infrastructure. Every sector contributes to token utility and ecosystem growth, like to tourism and hospitality, real estate, special economic zone, education and health, digital infrastructure, clubs and memberships, etc. And why we choose Solana for EPI. So Epiphany is built on Solana to leverage the most advanced blockchain technology for real-world asset tokenization, proving the community with unmatched speed, cost efficiency and sustainability. With lightning-fast transactions, eco-friendly consequences, ultra-low transaction cost and thriving DeFi ecosystem as well. And then most of all, we have details about the tokenomics and utility of the project. We can check out the details of the tokenomics. The project ensures sustainable distribution and real-world utility with a total supply of 21 million EPI. The pie chart shows a balanced allocation for the treasury, gold reserve and public sale, ensuring asset sustainability and community development, etc. You can check out that 15% for their public sale, and then 42% for treasury and gold reserve, 10% for liquidity in marketing, 10% for private sale, 10% for team as well, etc. And then building with industry leaders, Sun Group Global, then Starlink, Horizon University College, as well as we have wide variety of events, Looptix, and Vital Block infrastructure. So here we have details about the roadmap. You can check out the roadmap. The roadmap outlines a phased approach for development. As we look at the Q4 2025 milestone, they have already achieved the official social media launch, white paper release, and initiated community building. They have also started NFT minting and the EPI token launch in Solana, with more exciting giveaways and exchange listing to come. So here we have details that what they have planned for the future and what is the future planning of the project. So this is a sustainable revenue model with 45 million USD projected annual revenue. You can check out Epiphany Prates through a hybrid governance model combining decentralized community input with legal regulatory oversight. Alright, so if you want to be the part of the first gold-backed island tokenized ecosystem on Solana, so this is your time to join. Here we have option to join the community. You can simply follow them on Telegram to be able to understand the project, to stay in touch with the team and other members of the project. So it's better to join the social channels. You have to simply follow them on Telegram, Twitter as well. So here we are redirected to the Twitter. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more information about the project, to stay in touch with the team and other details of the project. Here we have all the required details about their post, etc. So it's better to join the social links. You have to simply follow them on Twitter to know more information about the project, about Epiphany, that what basically is this. Alright guys, so this was all about today. I'll drop the link in my description which you can use to access the project. You can join the refill, you can read the full white paper and connect with the community through the links provided in the websites. So I'll drop all the required links in my description which you can use to access the project. But let me remind you once again that none of any project is financially advised by me. Please do your own research before invest. Thank you so much for watching.